What's going on, everybody? It's Kent with Muskoka Property Care, back with another video. And if you watched our last video, you know we were prepping for a snowstorm. Well, let's go look to see how much we got. What we're gonna do, because I'll show you a radar clip. And as you can see, the brunt of the storm hasn't hit us yet. That's the only issue. It just has taken a little bit longer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out and pre-salt. So straight salt this time, not what we loaded up last night. Pre-salt our commercial accounts. We'll try and record a couple of those. We'll post those in the video, but as you can see, it looks like we're gonna be plowing this afternoon. So let's get some salting done this morning, and then we'll have some more plowing footage for you up next. All right, let's go get some coffee. Then we'll be on our way and salting some properties.
Lauren, how can I help you?
Can I get an extra large double dark roast, please?
Yep, anything else?
No, that's it.
230, got you, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. right, and we are done for now. We are back at home. We are gonna get something to eat, probably fuel up the truck, have a quick nap, see where the snow is at, and hopefully we get to push some this afternoon. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.